Welcome guys, so today I am going to teach you how to use Canva. Canva is an online design and publishing tool with a mission to empower everyone in the world to design anything and publish anywhere. First, go to Chrome or any browser and type canva.com. If you already have your account, you can just simply click Login. If you do not have an account yet, then you have to click Sign Up to create your own account. To begin, choose your design type from the Canva homepage. There are multiple choices for each graphic, whether it's a social media post, presentations, posters, infographics, flyers, or more. Canva has a wide selection of templates available that you can use for all of your design needs. You could use one free template provided by Canva as your design. Or you could design your own based on your preferred style. The background for your design could be a color or an image. To choose a color, use the color picker tool in the toolbar at the top of the editor. Design tip: different colors tells different stories. Think about what colors best suit your needs. There are two steps to use photo as your background. To use photo as your background, first, you have to add a grid. Once placed on the grid, photos can be resized, cropped, clipped, and layered to create a variety of visual effects. Second step, search images or upload your own. Then drag and drop your image onto the grid. It will snap to fit. You can add filters to change the brightness, saturation, and clarity of the photo. This can help when layering text and elements. In adding elements, keep it simple. Don't overload your design with too many elements as it can confuse the visual message of the image. Your design includes text, icons, photos, or illustrations. This needs to be combined in a way that is visually appealing. For font and text, don't use more than 2 fonts in a design, as too many fonts tends to make a design look messy. Again, simple is the best. If you're choosing an elaborate font, ensure you pair it with a simpler font so your design is balanced. Don't forget about the readability. If your fonts are too complicated, they can detract from your message. That is all for today. Thank you, and I hope this video helps you understand Canva.